Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I welcome you to my IELTS reading video. And this video is for both academic as well as general training reading, because in this video I'm going to give you some tips how to deal with the question type, and these are specific tips pertaining to the question type. The question type which we are going to discuss today, that is quite confusing for many students, and we call it a list of headings. In IELTS language they call it paragraph headings as well. Listen up. Whenever you have list of headings or paragraph headings, it's a very good idea to read all the headings first, and as you read the headings you must be very clear what are the clue words in the heading and what the heading is about. For example, if there is a heading seeking the transmission, seeking, you can transfer it like seeking means looking for, searching, right? The transmission of radio signals, transmission of radio signals. Radio signals means the mobile signals like we have, radio signals, radio waves, wireless signals and all that. From planets. Now from planets means it can be other planets. So seeking the transmission of radio signals from planets means there will be a paragraph where they talk about looking for the transmission of radio signals, that how other planets are communicating, if we catch their signal and catch their talk. So you need to find a paragraph where they talk about it. Again, I'm telling you, it's a very good idea. Whenever you have list of headings, there are around 4, 5, 6, sometimes even 8 questions. So you need to read all the headings first. Number 1, underline clue words in the heading. Number 2, number 3, go on and do the other questions. We do have list of headings in general training reading in section 3. In academic reading, it can be in any section. So it's a good idea to read the other questions. First read the heading, then do the other questions and go on, and by the time when you come back to list of headings, already you'll be very much familiar with the passage and you would have found some headings already, by the way. Do this last so you have a better understanding of what the passage is about. This is a main idea question. List of heading is basically the main idea question. Examiners want to know if you can understand the main idea or gist of different paragraphs. Now see, when you do which paragraph contains the following information, there you have to match the question with a specific sentence. But when you do list of headings, over here you've got to match the heading with the gist of the paragraph or with the main idea of the paragraph. And as far as the main idea is concerned, sometimes main idea is in the first line. So you can find the clue of list of headings in first line. Sometimes paragraph starts with general statement and the main idea is in the middle somewhere. Then you will find the clue in the middle. And sometimes the whole paragraph explains its narrative. At the end they conclude and link it with the main topic or main idea. In that case you will find the clue in the last line. Okay, be careful of the exact language trap. Now sometimes, not sometimes, every time they always give you 2 to 3 extra headings. If there are 5 questions, they will give you 8 headings. 3 extra headings are the perfect language traps. They are just there to trap you. So what do? They give you 3 extra headings, and these 3 extra headings are so general and so generic that you have a feeling that I can use this heading everywhere. I mean, on every paragraph this heading fits. If you find any heading like that and you have a feeling that this heading fits everywhere, this heading is so general that I can write it anywhere, usually those headings are the traps. Okay, the most important sentence in a paragraph is the first sentence, but this is not always true. If topic or if the paragraph starts with the main idea, then the first sentence will give you the clue, or the first two sentences. If the paragraph starts with a general statement and then main idea comes, then maybe second or third sentence will give you the clue. And if it's whole narration and at the end they give you the main idea, so you need to hunt three important places in the paragraph. The first place is the beginning of the paragraph, second is the middle, and last finally it's the end. And let me tell you, if you read more and more, you will get more confused about it. So you got to work smartly and work quickly. Each heading can only be used once. So one heading cannot be used or can never be used twice. The example heading will not be used. At times they give you one example heading, so that will not be used. And one more thing, for list of headings, they always use Roman numbers. So on your answer sheet also, you must write or you must use the Roman numbers. Okay, now I'm going to give you some basic strategy how to deal with this type of questions. The first thing is underline or circle keywords, names, numbers, places in the answer choices. This underlining, you will be having a pencil in your hand all the time, so you can underline important words, names, places and all that. Okay, so in list of heading also, when you read all the headings, underline important words. Words like description, words like method, words like account, words like example. You can underline and then rest of the words. Next, go to the shortest paragraph in the passage. This will be the easiest to answer. Wonderful tip. You should go to the shortest paragraph. Do not start it like first I will start from paragraph A, then B, then C, then D. No. You can see if there is the shortest paragraph, you can start from the shortest paragraph because you will be able to find the answer very quickly, and this confidence, this feeling of confidence is going to help you out there. Read the first and second sentence of the paragraph first. Whenever you read a paragraph, you are looking for a clue for list of headings, just read the first and second sentence first. If you get a very clear clue about it, it's okay. Otherwise, if you have a feeling that they have started with a general narration or this is the general information, then you can move on. If you still don't find the answer, read the last sentence. So first two sentences, otherwise you can read the last sentence and most definitely you will find the clue if the headings are in your mind. Next, go to the headings questions and choose the answer choice that captures the same meaning. Okay, now you got to see this is the paragraph, they are discussing this thing. So in the headings, in list of headings, we've got this answer choice, heading number 4, heading number 5, which can fit. By the way, it's easier said than done. Once you're going to practice, you can understand. After this, you can move on to the next shortest paragraph. So this is a very good strategy. Do not start it in order, like from paragraph A, paragraph B, paragraph C. First the shortest paragraph, then move on to the next shortest paragraph and repeat the process until you finish this question type. That's all guys, thank you very much. At this moment I'm here in Jagran Resort. It's a beautiful place in the heart of Kashmir and I've come all the way from Lahore to make these videos for you. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.